Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sort your data in Excel. Now, before I start, please do subscribe and like my video if you find it useful, of course, because I will be posting regular videos on this channel around Excel and then on other Office applications in the coming weeks. Okay, so in this video, I will only focus on sorting data, and then in the next one, I'll make a video on filtering data. All right. So one of the things that I always do is, whether that's sorting or filtering data, I always add a sort of, a filter field in all of the columns that I want to sort or filter. So what I mean by that is, if I select, say, the first cell, okay, in my data, now you would go up to the Home tab, and then you would go to the Editing group, and here you'll find the Sort and Filter command, right? Now, if you click on the drop down, there is an option called Filter. Now, I know I'm going to show you filtering in the next video, but if you click Filter here, okay, what you'll see is it basically, produces drop-down fields on each of your columns, okay, or on basically the first cell of that column. Now, you can use these drop-down arrows to not only filter the data, okay, now filtering I'll show you in the next video, but you can use these drop-down fields to sort your data as well, okay? So it gives you a sort of a shortcut access to sorting your data. It's quicker than, going up to the tab all the time. So this is my preferred method. So what you can do here is you have two options here. So the first two options is you can sort from A to Z, okay, or in ascending order if the values in that column are numbers. And the second one is the opposite, so you can sort Z to A, or in descending order if the values in your column are numbers. So at the moment you can see I've selected the name column. Okay, so if I click sort A to Z, you can see it's now sorted my the sales name in alphabetical order, okay, and the rest of the data has followed, okay. If I wanted to, if I changed my mind and I wanted to sort the city instead, I can do that as well. So I would just I would just click on the drop down on the right of city, and then click sort A to Z there. And there you can see it's now sorting my data in alphabetical order by city this time. All right, so it's really as easy as that. You can do the opposite. So you can also click on the drop-down field and sort Z to A. And there you go. So it's now sorting my city from Z to A. Okay, with the values, so if you've got numbers in the column, you can use the same sort command. So if you click on the drop-down, as you can see, it's changed the text. So instead of saying sort A to Z, it recognizes that in that column you have numbers. So it will sort from smallest to largest. So if I go with that option, you can see there it's now sorting my data by Q1 sales, okay, from smallest value to the largest. Okay, so that's what you do. So essentially, you basically just need to decide which column you want to sort, okay? And once you've decided, you can then just use that drop-down arrow and select the appropriate sort command. Now, another thing that I wanted to show you was something called custom sort and how to sort by cell color, which a lot of people don't really do. A lot of the times we sort data by by alphabetical order or by ascending or descending order. Now, say for example, I had colored these cells, okay? So I'm just gonna select some random cells and color them in a different color. So we'll go for a gold color there. And let's go for here. Let's select blue. And let's do another one. We'll go for green. Okay, so say I've just color coded my data. Now I know it's already sorting the data in color because of the way I've done it. But what I'll do is, let me just jumble it up. So let's sort by name. So let's sort the name in alphabetical order from A to Z. So there you go. So now my colors are now jumbled up in my data, right? So now, so say your data looks like this. You've color coded some of the rows, and you want to sort by color. So what you would do is, again, you first need to choose which column you want to sort by. So say it was name, you would click on the drop down, and then you would go to the third option there, which is sort by color. Now on the right, when you put your mouse over that command, on the right, it gives you 3 different color options based on the colors that I've selected in my data, or the colors that I've chosen. So what you do simply here is choose the color you want to sort by. So if you wanted to see, I don't know, all the green data at the top, you would just click on green. And there you go. So all my green data, all the data colored in green, are now visible at the top. Okay, if I just click on the drop down arrow again, go down to sort by color again, you can choose another color. You can go down to custom sort. Okay, now this opens up dialog box. So this is like a detailed sort table. So here you can literally, instead of choosing the column, you can select the column from this list here. So you would select the column that you want to sort by. So you can do it from here as well. You can sort your data from here. This is a customized table, or you can choose to do it from the drop down arrows, which is a quicker way. Okay, so that's up to you. But as you know, I've already sorted my data in green color. So I've got that at the top. But you can, if you go on the far right, there is an option to sort the order at the bottom. So if you wanted the green data to be at the bottom, you can do that as well. So you can click on bottom. So it gives you some more options, and then you can click OK. In that sort on field, cell color is an option, okay, but so is cell values. So this is when you want to, sort. So when you select values, your order changes. So you can sort A to Z or Z to A. You can also sort by font color. So in this dialog box, it's more of a detailed sort table, like I said. So if if you had used different font color in your data, you could sort by font color as well. Okay, and you can also sort by conditional formatting icon. So I'm not going to go into too much detail into that, but if you want to know more, please do put your please do state in the comment section, and I'll pick that up from there. Okay, so that's it. Let's just change that back to cell color. So as can you see there, so what I'm doing there is I'm just selecting the same stuff and clicking OK. Okay, so I hope that's not been too confusing. But sorting is very easy. Okay, what I would suggest, okay, is you always put a filter in the top row of your data, and then use the drop down arrows to to use the quick, yeah, we can say these are quick links. So you can use these quick links to sort in alphabetical order, or in ascending or descending order, or even sort by color. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos in the upcoming weeks. So, you may want to consider subscribing to the channel so you can be notified of new videos uploaded. All right, so thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.